Friends, right now I'm going to show you a demonstration about how to create theme for the Sony Ericsson handset using the software Themes Creator. Here the software I have opened, Sony Ericsson Themes Creator. First of all, you have to select the model for what you are going to prepare theme. I have selected K500 for what I'm going to create theme here. At first step, background. You have to define how the background will be initialized. Then after desktop and standby background by selecting from computer or from the mobile phone. If it is stored in your computer, you can select a one. I have taken this. You can set it as per your requirement by moving up and down, zooming, or reset, or as per requirement you can fit in the screen. Click on OK. This background will appear in the handset. And how the desktop you want to get. If you don't have enough background, desktop or any other wallpapers of the exact site 128 by 128, you can download it from internet. Simply for that, open your search engine, Google, go to image search, type simple word plain backgrounds. For the exact type of size, you can set here exactly 128 pixels to 128 pixel search. You will be getting exact size of the wallpapers. Select the desired one, right click, save image as, apply name, and save. After this, same you can load here as a desktop by going through import image, E drive, mobile wallpaper 1, open. This is it. Click on OK. Same way for standby. If you don't want to put wallpaper, just leave it. Go to color scheme. Here you can set color for the background, tape as well as text by dragging these points. As you can see, the colors will be changed. Move this. Right? You got to change color. Same way here also, drag the point. If you get the desired one, stop to moving this way. For double title also you can change what color is currently appearing. For tab title, you can see the output. Next, for tabs, you can see the tab color is changing. For pop-up, light dark shade you can set. Then go to style, choose anyone, multi. You can see the output, how multi will appear. Rounded, how the rounded it will appear. Initially you will be getting a rounded corner here. Tag with border, you can see, get the one. If you want to put sound in your theme, you can select one from here by importing. If you don't want, you can leave it. And finally you can see the preview of the design. If you have a connected telephone, your mobile phone, you can directly upload by clicking these images, these themes, right into phone by clicking over here. If you have not connected, save this theme anywhere, and later by connecting your mobile device you can download, upload that theme in your mobile. This is the one way through which you can create your mobile phone theme. One more way is there as a advanced mode. By clicking on this button you will be getting that mode. As soon as you move your mouse pointer, you can see the output. What text color, I mean soft key text color is appearing there. It is black already. You can set as per your requirement. Click on OK. Now see, the soft key colors has been changed. You can put here one image as a standby image by importing. Then after operator names, you can see black color, change it, get a good one. Okay, it's outline color. I will suggest you to put the same what I have taken earlier, yellow color. You can see output right side. Then color of the standby soft key, where it is located generally you can see it is highlighting calls and more options. So this can be changed from here. Along with background change it will get. Right? Okay. Same way for time. What color you want to get there? Simply set it. I will suggest you white color. You can see the output. It is viewable in white color with blue color outline. If you want to keep another outline, simply change it. Get the black one. Now see the output. Same way for desktop. You can import one. How the preview will appear you can see here in right side. For soft key also, if you have an image of the size 128 by 18, you can upload these images by importing here for the specific button called select. If you don't have, if you want to apply color only, then just go to this option, change the color. Okay. Same way for single title, multiple titles, you can change as per your requirement the sources. For double title, tab title, many more options are there, pop-up. Finally you can enter your name, organization name, website address as one of the creator of the theme. And when you have done by setting all the parameters of the theme creation, you can see the preview by clicking here how actually it will appear. And finally click on save button. That will ask to enter name, enter the desired name and click on save. So this is the method how to create themes for the Sony Ericsson mobile phones. Thank you.